So in that way, for two, we're changing path in terms of we take on the more production side of it, where basically because we have that connection with the artist, we can produce as well. You know what I mean? So we're taking everything on board, like broaden your horizon and stuff, and also um, take the hiatus from radio, did more mixtapes, did a lot of hosting as well here in the UK. I mean, a lot of shows up here, like when the Chronics came, I played on this show. I was the only DJ that played. Then it came the following year. Then I host that show. Shows in Manchester with the Lukie D, the Sanchez. I host it. I host Leeds Festival. So, a lot of shows, Sound Clash host, go to Nottingham, host shows. So there's a lot of things that way. But we'll take that time off on a personal level first. And now we're trying to create and form things back to come back.
So
So we
if
just,
I understand you right,